Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we break down the best of tech and design so you can shop smarter. And today, we're diving into the best sapphire crystal watch for scratch resistance, the Pagani-designed PD1644. If you've been hunting for a chronograph that screams luxury without wrecking your wallet, this is the one to watch. Let's start with the first thing you'll notice, that striking rainbow bezel. It's bold, it's colorful, and it instantly elevates the look of the PD1644. Whether you're wearing it to a party, at the office, or just for a casual day out, the watch commands attention. And sitting right beneath that bezel is a piece of premium sapphire crystal glass, offering high scratch resistance. You can brush past door frames or drop your keys near it. This glass is built to stay flawless. But this watch isn't just about looks. At its heart, the PD1644 is powered by a VK63 Japanese quartz movement. It's a mecha quartz hybrid, meaning you get the smooth, sweeping chronograph hand action like an automatic, but with the reliability and low maintenance of a quartz. No unnecessary ticking, no unexpected battery surprises. Just consistent, accurate timekeeping day in and day out. And yes, the chronograph is real. This isn't some fake stopwatch-style dial. The subdials are fully functional. You've got a 60-minute timer, a 24-hour indicator, and a small seconds subdial, making it a solid companion for timing your workouts, meetings, or laps on the track. Let's talk durability. The case is made from 316L stainless steel, which is the industry standard for high-end dive and sports watches. It's corrosion-resistant, tough, and still lightweight enough for comfortable daily wear. Flip it over and you'll find a securely screwed-in case back, further enhancing its water resistance. Speaking of which, it's rated for 100 meters, so whether you're swimming, showering, or caught in a monsoon, no worries. One of the standout comfort features is the folding clasp on the stainless steel bracelet. It holds tight on the wrist, but it's also easy to take off when you're done for the day. And the luminous hands mean you're never left in the dark, even during late-night drives or early morning commutes. Now, for those of you wondering about style versatility, the silver finish is sleek and neutral, meaning it works across outfits and settings. Pair it with business attire or go casual with jeans and a tee. Either way, the PD1644 adds that edge of refinement. It's for the enthusiast who wants real chronograph function, solid build quality, a unique visual edge, and the kind of specs you'd usually expect on a watch costing hundreds more. At just around the $85 to $90 mark, the PD1644 punches well above its weight class. To wrap up, the Pagani-designed PD1644 isn't just another homage piece. It's a carefully engineered, beautifully finished chronograph that's built to impress, last, and perform. With sapphire crystal, a trusted VK63 movement, 100-meter water resistance, and a standout aesthetic, this might just be your next favorite everyday watch. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more smart reviews on the gear that matters. Let us know in the comments, is the PD1644 going into your collection? Or is there another hidden gem we should review next? Until next time, keep your style sharp and your wrist game stronger.